Hello friends, today I'm doing unboxing of Columbia coat that I've got lately. So it came in this package. So let's open it. And it was on sale. And I also have some rewards from the Columbia site, as when you sign up for rewards program, you get rewards for everything you buy. And I bought few things before and I got few, like $15 I think. And this Columbia jacket is on sale on the site right now, and it's like winter jacket. So let's open. Okay, so here it is. It's called Autumn Park Down Hooded Jacket. I've got it in size X large. Here it is. I hope it will fit me, because previous coats, normally I get like size X large, but sometimes they run small. So few coats I've got in size X large, and I think they were big for me. So this time I've got size X large. So let's open it. Nice. So here is the jacket. Interesting. So I've got this jacket in color mulberry. This coat looks like this. So it's, wow, originally $170. That's much. And this coat has Omni Heat technology, which is this metal dots inside of the coat, and they reflect heat. Thermal reflective lining, and then your coat, like, it's warmer, make you warm because it's reflect your body heat back to you. Oh no, I think it's some return. Hope it's new. Hope it's new and not some return. Yeah, looks new, although I'm not sure. So it looks a little bit like slightly. I hope it's new. So yeah, this coat is interesting design because it has nice hood here. And it's nice 650 power down. Here on the sleeve it has Columbia sign, and also here on the thingy has Omni Heat sign too. A little bit looks like it's thin material, but hope it's water resistant. any cuffs. It has some kind of cinching in like gum, or what is it, elastic, cinching in like gum, or what is it, elastic, and it's lightweight, which is nice. So I like when things are lightweight. This light is a bit too strong. So, does it has anything interesting to show? Let's open it. The zipper looks like it's plastic. And only one-way zipper. The zipper is fine because some reviews on site were saying that zipper not work in this coat. That's why I want to be careful. Yeah, but it seems fine. Yeah. You just have this thing. That's why when you zip it you have to be careful that it doesn't cut this like protection. And inside it doesn't have a zipper pocket inside. It has nice reflective lining like this. See? Wow, it's so silver. The pockets. Let's see how they look. This jacket also has this cinching system on both sides of the hood. Doesn't have cinching at the bottom, so that's not good. And also that's not good that it doesn't have any pocket inside, but I think I said it, but I don't know. But nice that it has this nice fairy material lining on the hood, as you can see. Really nice, fluffy, and looking like cute. Like Sherpa? No, it's more like some velvety material. Looks elegant. So I will try this coat on and see if it's fitting me. Interesting. So it looks like this. I would say it runs true to size. I would say it runs true to size with a slightly runs smaller, especially here, but I can zip it. I hope. And it runs not small here, so that's good because you can put here some scarf or something. So it looks like this. Let's zip it. Yeah, slightly Looks like it's tight here, too big. So maybe I will exchange it for a different one, because I'm not sure if I like. Actually, it's fine, but if you are more chested breast, like here, wide chested, then I would recommend sizing up. But here I can move arms easily. That's good. And the length of arms, sleeves is correct. Yeah, that's fitting correct. This part, the length, half here. And this is how it looks with hood. So it looks nice. I like this color, looks really nice. At least in camera. But in real life too. And now it's warm coat. So yeah, it's like this. So I think it's good cold if you live in cold climate, or if you live in cold state and you need a warm jacket. This one is good for colder winters, temperatures below 30s easily. Because other coats I've got are not that thick, they have thinner layer, and this one seems warmer. So this would be nice to have for the colder days. And I think this reflective lining works too. So yeah. And if you want to have more layers for wider or bigger clothing, then it's good to get one size bigger, because this one is like fitted. I would say it's well fitted on me, so I guess have to either exchange it or keep it, but then I cannot wear too thick hoodies or something like that, because then it won't be too much. So yeah, this is my unboxing of Columbia coat. Hope you like such videos. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe for future videos, and hit notification bell to be notified when I upload. And see you in my next video.